Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see the Leetcode question number 3, longest substring without repeating characters. The question is, given a string S, find the length of longest substring without duplicate characters. We are given 3 examples in the question. In the first example, S is ABC, ABC, BB. Here, the longest substring is ABC, which is of length 3. We also have BCA and we also have CAB. We have 3 substrings without any duplicates. All 3 substrings are of length 3. Hence, we are returning the output as 3. In the second example, S is BBBBB. So, the longest substring is B. Hence, we are returning the output as 1. In the third example, string is PWWKEW. Here, the longest substring without duplicates is WKE and the other substring is KEW. Both the strings are of length 3, hence we are returning the output as 3. I hope the question is clear. Now let's get into the approach. Let's take an example of the string ABBAC. We will initialize 4 variables. Scene, which is of type set. We are declaring it as a set so that there won't be any duplicates. Next, our left pointer initialized to 0 and our right pointer initialized to 0 and the max length initialized to 0. So our left pointer and our right pointer is in index position 0. The element in index position 0 is A. A is not in set, so we will append A to our set. Next, we will update the max length. Max length is nothing but right minus left plus 1. So 0 minus 0 plus 1 is 1. So our max length becomes 1. Now we will increment the right pointer. Our right pointer points to the element B. B is not in the set. So we will append B to our set. Now we will update the max length. 1 minus 0 plus 1 is 2. So our max length becomes 2. Now we will increment the right pointer again. The right pointer points to the index position 2, which is of element B. But B is already in our set. So we will remove the element from our scene set until B is not in the set. First we will remove A. So our set only has B and we will increment the left pointer. Again B is in the set. So we will remove B from our set and we will increment the left pointer. Now B is not in the set, so we will append B to our set. Now we will increment the R pointer. A is not in the set, so we will append A to our set and we will recalculate the max length. 3 minus 2 plus 1 is 2. So our max length remains same. Now we will increment the R pointer to the next element. So R pointer points to C. C is not in the set. So we will add C to our set. Now we will update the max length. Max length is R minus L plus 1, which is 4 minus 2 plus 1 is 3. Our max length is 3. Our R pointer reached the end of the string. So we will stop at this point and return the max length. Our max length is 3. I hope the approach is clear. Now let's get into the implementation. First, let's declare the visited variable scene equals to a set. Now we will declare the left pointer L equals to 0 and our max length equals to 0. Now we will iterate through the right pointer for R in range of length of S while S of R in scene. We will remove the element pointing to the left pointer. Scene dot remove S of left. After we remove the element pointing to the left pointer, we will increment the left pointer. Left plus equals to 1. We are using while loop because we have to remove the element from the scene until the element pointing to the R is not in the set. If the element pointing to R is not in the set, we will add to the set. Scene dot add of S of R. Now we will update the max length. Max length equals to max of the current max length, comma, R minus L plus 1. At the end, we will return the max length. Return max length. That's pretty much it. Now let's submit it. Our solution got accepted. I hope you like this video and I'm sure that you learned something new today. If you do like this video, please consider to subscribe and I'll see you in another interesting Leetcode interview question. Thank you.